Hi guys, let's see how to reinstall Microsoft Store and Windows 11 computer. So here is how to do it. What you have to do, you have to search partial in the search box of Windows 11 computer. Right click on the search result icon and click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes in the prompt. Now once this partial window open up, what you have to do, you have to run this command. This command removes Microsoft Store from your Windows 11 computer. Just hit enter. I have given this command in the description of this video. You can directly copy this command from there. Now after that, you'll have to run the second command. I have also given the second command in the description of this video. Just copy and paste and hit enter. Then you'll have to run this third command. Okay, just copy this third command and paste it, and that's it. Your Windows Store, Microsoft Windows Store, is reinstalled. Okay, now it may happen that your this Get-AppxPackage can't be run, error message, and all these messages give all the errors that Get-AppxPackage is not available or something like that. Then you may have to tweak a little bit of registry editor, and after that run all these commands. So if you get a message that Get-AppxPackage is not available, then what you have to do, you have to open the registry editor. Just search registry editor in the search box. Now click on registry editor. Now once it opens up, you have to go to this location. I have also given this path in the description of this video. Just copy this path from there. Now once you go to this location, in right side just locate start. Just double click on start and just change the value data to 2. Okay, just change the value data to 2. Now restart your computer, and once your computer gets restarted, run these 3 commands again one by one. Okay, and the Microsoft Windows Store will be reinstalled. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support.